A lot, we've been talking about it, the winds. The winds would cause so many problems here in western New York. In Lackawanna, we've had hurricane force winds of 79 miles per hour. At the Buffalo Airport, 72 mile per hour winds. Dunkirk 66, Batavia 60, Warsaw 58. Winds will stay strong like this for the rest of the day and into early Saturday. Blizzard warnings now for Chautauqua, Erie, Niagara, Orleans, and Genesee counties through early Sunday. Winter storm warnings for Wyoming County and Cattaraugus County, and the lakeshore flood warning remains in effect along the Lake Erie shoreline. Hourly forecast for today, we're in the teens now. We'll hold in the teens, wind chills below zero with strong damaging winds and heavy snow at times. Visibility is close to zero. The blizzard will continue through Saturday with temperatures in the teens and wind chills below zero, as that snow will really pile up in some parts of western New York. Looking at the radar, 3 areas of concern. We'll start well south of Buffalo, Dunkirk over toward Springville, back toward Arcade, band of snowfall that's slowly moving off toward the north. And that's, if you're in that, visibilities will be close to zero. Buffalo to Clarence, that's a heavy snow band coming in off of Lake Erie, and another one from North Tonawanda over toward Pendleton along the 990. You can hardly see a thing. Same thing with the 190, the 290, the Thruway, the 33. Everything's closed as it is, but if you are on the roads, visibility is just about zero. Just dropped to 15 degrees, winds out of the southwest at 39 miles per hour. A gust of 54 in Buffalo, 56 in Dunkirk, 44 miles per hour in Niagara Falls. A wind chill value of 8 below in Buffalo. Feels like 25 degrees below zero in Jamestown. As far as snow is concerned, things aren't really going to change through around 7 p.m. today. We get toward tonight, overnight, and the snow band will consolidate a bit, but still bringing very heavy snow from Buffalo all the way to the west of Rochester. And then late Saturday, the band shifts further southward. More snow down across southern Erie County, Wyoming County, and into ski country as we get into Sunday. Snow totals for late this afternoon, about 3 to 8 inches of snow. But again, we don't want to get too hung up on those totals. It'd be very difficult to measure how much snow we have because the snow is going to be blowing around. By Saturday morning, about a foot in Buffalo, a little more for Batavia and Dunkirk. And by Sunday, 2 feet in Buffalo, and some areas could see close to 4 feet of snowfall. The numbers will increase a bit down across ski country as Sunday moves along, as you'll have that band settle down well south of Buffalo. Winds will gust close to 60, 70 miles per hour tonight into early Saturday. Later tomorrow afternoon, winds start to diminish a bit, still gusting near 50 miles per hour. And these strong winds will cause more power outages. I still think tonight we have a really good chance, well, I shouldn't say really good chance, the same chance for power outages to occur through tonight and into early Saturday, especially along the Lake Erie shoreline and northeast of the lake. That's where the best chance for power outages will be now through Saturday morning. And unfortunately, some of those outages could last for days. We're in the teens. We're going to stay that way with strong winds and blowing snow this afternoon. Tonight, overnight lows near 10 with the blizzard warnings in effect. Whiteouts likely. Tomorrow, blizzard warning will continue all day. Sunday, the snow will be south of Buffalo near 20 degrees. On Monday, a few snow showers. Same thing with Tuesday. Milder for Wednesday and Thursday. We're back in the 40s.